I just feel as though we need to make their day a little joyous. So here we go.
By bringing them 40 hams.
By bringing them however many hams we can fit in the cart. Come on with!
Oh, look, Dad.
Hams on sale. We'll make a hard right and go right to the ham.
So we can get, the most we can get is the smoked butt one.
Hope we don't fall in with the pigs.
We're gonna need more ham.
Do you want to go ahead of us?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
we're gonna be
Go
ahead
ahead.
of it. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, here's the penny.
Okay.
Mine.
And a penny.
And a penny. One little, two little, three little piggies. And this piggy went to the market. It was such an eye-opener for me when I went there, and I'm like, I am making all of this beautiful, expensive food, fish and meat, and these people are standing in line singing Christmas carols,
And
happy.
it was cold that year too, wasn't it?
You think about it, but you really don't put yourself in that position.
No.
You go home to a warm bed.
You don't have to worry that your heat's not on,
And you're safe.
and you're safe, and that in the morning that your kids aren't going to have any food. They went to bed hungry, crying. Really is something that we're so far removed from, no matter how much you try.
Yeah, and it's a couple miles away.
Okay, we got some workers that's going to. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so we're looking at about.
You want more than this?
Are you sure?
I'm positive. We do this.
All right, here you go.
Bye.
Put your back.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Thanks so
All right,
much.
God bless you. Thank you.
God bless you guys.